They say money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my face.
I got the win. Try Streamlabs. I'll go back into it. Bro, you gotta go to like 10 different things to do all this. Do you think these streamers pay people?
Daddy?
Yeah, I got a follower. User
13. User 13. Welcome to the cell, Daddy. Make sure my voice is working. Welcome to the greatest show on earth.
I promise you, it's usually better. Stay. Ugh. Let's see. Let's test it. Test YouTube.
Daddy? Is that you?
It's not going. Not going. Do they? Oh man, I gotta make more money then. What's up, Bob? Like, I'm wondering if OBS is better, man. Still not coming through. I can't even read that shit. What was that, 420? You guys see the little guys on the bottom? They're getting bigger. Is it not pushing FYP? Probably not. Probably not.
Daddy? Is that
I mean,
you?
I'm getting 2 subscribers, so.
Valentin. Welcome to the cell, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Like, I just want to get on and just fucking have a good stream. You know, I don't want to worry about anything. Make you guys money, bro. Together.
Say money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my face.
Look at it.
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my face.
Thank you for the gifts, Daily. We're going up. 18 views now. MNQ. I can comment through that way. Yeah. KIK has so much cooler stuff, huh? Okay, It's not a short yet. I'm gonna change this criteria. I think I know how to code it now. I think I need to do like it can only have a red dot if the candle is turning red. That would do it. We got 26 people in here. We're going up. We're going up there, baby. We're getting up there. Do we short this? It would have to be a scalp, though. There's another one, see? Don't chase it, though. I don't know if this little move is like a bigger move. I'm going to assume, though. Free trading view as long as I hold the account. You mean data-wise? Data-wise, yes. I believe. Yeah, I think you could have it up to like a year. So technically, yeah. Data-wise, it should live update. You know, your only issue is the indicators. You're mostly paying for indicators. I think you'll get pop-up ads, though. No? What do you mean? Oh, on the other streaming stuff? Yeah, probably. It's just another option if you guys wanted to. I'm not trying to push you guys over there. I just try to reach more communities. That's it. Oh, on TradingView. Yeah, that's what's really annoying. TradingView, the free version, the fucking ads. You're right, Mallory. Is that the one you won? It's all right. We'll get you another one here. What did Apex just say? What about wealth charts? I don't see it though. Yeah, 1K drawdown is no joke. You really got to trade like ES probably, MES. Okay, so this is not sending to. Let me try the app. It says it is, but it's not. On the flip side, one 50K account is up 1100 and the other 50K is up 2400. Oh, nice. On Lucid? Yeah, so Apex, I've been doing that, but sometimes I have no patience, and I'm like, I know I'm right. Like this morning. So I could get rid of this. And my comments aren't going through. Like, come on. I can never get a break. Oh, it went through. I don't like that I have, for some reason it shows double.
They say money can't buy happiness. They say money can't buy happiness. Smile on my face. Fucking smile.
Oh, cake, baby.
They say money can't buy happiness. They say money can't buy happiness. Smile on my face. Fucking smile on my face.
Ice cream, daddy.
They say money can't buy happiness. They say money can't buy happiness. Smile on my face. Fucking smile on my face.
Chili. Chili. The things I do for money. I just heard myself because I have YT on my phone just to check. I just heard myself what I just did, and that's embarrassing. What ancestors are gonna say? Gee, Chili. I gotta pee so bad too. It's embarrassing. Yeah, that's what I was scared of. That was gonna be a short-lived short because it went right to the 78% on the shorter one. That's what happened. But now we're on a bigger scale here, so we could probably short bigger. We do have another level up here, and the 500s. What's really hurting us is every 2 seconds, Trump comes out and says, "There's nothing to blow up," and then Iran goes, "Fuck, just." I think he's feeding him, bro. All right, I'm gonna go one short. We're gonna test this out. You do have some levels here. If it does want to go up, it can easily come up to here. Now, 50%, if you guys want to be safe. Not much of a big move, but it's right here in this yellow line, which is about 66. Like 521, you think? It can, yeah. Hopefully we'll just get a little scalp there. A little scalperoo. $388 did hold, yep. They fucking launched up. That's why I'm going small, guys, because it can go up to the next level. We got a clear rejection here though, but sometimes, it likes to play games, especially when there's this kind of news going on. And you VIP members, I'm going to try to update it within this week, this indicator. I really like the style of it, what it's doing now. It makes life a little bit easier. Oh yeah, I forgot about my fucking levels. I'm gonna update that. So I don't like the way I have it in the beginning. So we could easily go down to this level, right? Since it's like right there. At 436.
ECB Stoner, speaking in Frankfurt, said Middle East conflict is adverse supply shock, and Iran war could have large impact if it persists.
Hey, Daily, have you noticed? Maybe you can save me some fucking research and work. The levels that we use, right? Do you use them for Asia session 2?
Daddy?
Yeah, I'm gonna start doing indicators.
Is
I
that
want
you?
to
The euro
I wanted
rises
to
1%
perfect it.
to a
I'm pretty
session high
close
versus
to it,
the
I
US
think,
dollar.
though. My goal now is to start decluttering. Declutter, so I can teach you guys easier. You know, every single every indicator I have, you have the option to take shit on and take it off or change it. But I want to declutter. Oh, do you like that range? The 18 to 19? Trying to figure it out. I think I'm going to keep it that.
Amago. Not sure if I welcomed you, but welcome to the cell, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
You doing NQ? I am on NQ now.
NASA plans a bigger SpaceX moon mission role in a blow to Boeing.
Okay, I feel like I got Meld working now, guys. Is this record okay the way it looks? Okay, so I have the 19 to 20, and it's also a hit or miss, in my opinion. It's definitely a hit or miss. So I'm trying to figure that out. I feel like if you do like, say 19, or maybe even 18 to midnight, and do that. The problem is like, you don't want to fucking sit there and watch it keep updating the whole day. 'Cause then you're not gonna get your levels at all. Right? So you need an anchor at some point. Look, it hit our spot, so please be careful. Take TP now, or see if it comes down to this next one. Okay, so you like the discount price of the 50% both ways. Which isn't bad at all, too. But you're never going to get your destination fib extensions that way. You're not. because it's going to keep updating. So you need an anchored of a time. I mean, you can, but you're not going to remember it. So that's what I'm trying to figure out before I release this levels. What is your time anchor? In the morning time, it's 9:30 to 10:30. But I have it so it's diverse. Fucking so hard to code. I wanted to scream. Now I have another one that's diverse that works in Asia session. The problem is Asia, it can move at 8 o'clock, it can move at fucking 6 o'clock, it can move at 9 o'clock, so you never know where to pin it. So I'm wondering if the, and then maybe you can answer this for me, Daily, the 9:30 to 10:30, when the fibs go across, how do they react at Asia time? Do they still get respected? Exactly. So that's why I'm like, do we even use it, you know? I switched my
Onto
opening
Business
for
Insider,
New York.
Google told staff
Oh,
it's
you do
leaning
9:30,
more
10
into
now? Fucker.
AI national security deals.
But I'm gonna make it diverse where it can start anchoring. Well, it can anchor the whole time, my thing, Daily. It can anchor the whole time. If there's a rip up, it's gonna adjust. Which I like. I just don't like the 9:30 open. Okay, we're out our one trade. Very good, man.
Ukraine's Zelensky says Ukrainian negotiators have talks in the US on Saturday.
Daddy? Is that you? In pain? In pain. I hope you feel better, motherfucker. Welcome to the Soul Daddy.
I know a snake oil guy in Mexico. Yeah. You know, my body still feels the fucking same, by the way. Holy shit, you're doing awesome, Tweak. I gotta pee so bad. Okay, so this could be a little mini long at 4:34. All right, I'm going into. TP is 4. Let's try 450. Yeah, you did work today, huh? I'm gonna have to pee after this. Can't hold it. I'm leaking on the floor as we speak. No, I'm just joking. How nasty would that be? I'm leaking on my treadmill as we speak. Is that normal? Sick fucks. Alright, there's our... Oh, shit, I got 2 out. It lubes up the spinning, you know what I mean? Alright, guys, give me, if you guys don't mind, give me 1,000 likes, 1,000 likes. I'd go pee. I want to see 5,500. 5,500. I just got another winner right there. Bang, bang, bang.
Oil prices pair gains. US crude falls below $96 a barrel. According to Israeli Broadcasting Authority from sources, the joint campaign between Israel and the United States is expected to continue for several more weeks.
I'm back. My bad. Gotta have food ready for me in like 30 minutes, so. JB! Oh, you guys got me up there. Shit. Mr. Bastard. That would be crazy. It went below negative. They didn't change the price, though. Bro, I'm paying like fucking over $1,000 a month right now for heating oil. Or natural gas, sorry. I could look at oil in a second. Yeah, like, when Trump first got in, he made it so good that it went negative amount of money. They didn't sell it for that, though, but they might have sold it for like $60 a barrel. You're never going to sell it for fucking negative zero, but that's what happened. It was like negative 80 or 100 or some shit. Yeah, it's something crazy. I don't even know. I don't even know like how much we get from them. There's a reason why we took Venezuela, guys. There's a reason. Yeah, it went negative. It went negative like $50, $75. I remember it. Because people were like, yo, how do I buy a barrel of oil? Get yours from Costco? You're not joking though. But it did get cheap for everybody, so like Trump actually loaded up on millions and billions of oil at that time. You know, they gave him shit for it, but you know, we racked up our reserve. Wow, this fucking ripped up, guys. We want it, yeah. We have enough reserves for 50 years. You guys know that, right? Like if we stop getting oil today, we stop getting oil, we can have 50 years of normal use right now. Well, maybe we're down a little bit because we've gotten up in population, but probably like 40 years. I know you do. He said JK with a wink. All I know is finally the charge of my Cybertruck is fucking cheaper than gas. I'm like, fucking finally. Because I do it at the supercharger because it's right on my way home, so I say fuck it. But if you do like Monday through Friday, it costs me like 23 cents. It's even cheaper at nighttime, it's like 17 cents. And then there's 110 kilowatts per battery. So it's like $15 a charge. So it costs me like $30 a week. Wow. See, I'm lagging over here on those apps. I probably need to turn down the quality, the bit rate. Okay, we're in this, all right? So we got one more up. We got a few. So I don't fucking know. What are you guys thinking? What are you guys thinking? Yeah, I guess I took my TP out way too fast, huh? Took my TP out way too fast. How do I change the bit rate on this? Okay. Yeah. That's what I'm like worried about. But you have these separate levels here. I don't know, man. I mean, we could always take the short and then just take it out faster. On SanDisk? Remind me in a minute when this stops doing shit. I could look at it. Okay, so like this is a short. This is a short. All right, we're gonna take 2, 3. I lied. 3. 50% is 475s. If you guys want to hold one longer, go for it. I just don't know if I trust the action. I think I've responded, I think. I don't even know what the fuck I'm writing here. It looked like it was like really freezing. Oh, that's good now. Ah! Sorry, I'm testing. Yeah, just be careful. That means I made it. I like to scream this, "Mom, I made it!" when everybody impersonates me. I made it. I try to send a reminder ever so often. I even have TikTok fucking people exactly copying every fucking video I put, everything. I'm like, fuck it, maybe they'll get me more exposed out there. Did I? Did I respond back? I don't even, maybe you messaged the wrong one. You could have, I don't know. Whatever one that you sent me your cash at. Where the cash shit? That one. Yeah, I know, right? On the general chat? Okay. They'll put like a period. They're fucking wild. Damn, that fucking rejected off that fair value gap. What do you guys think? We're gonna find out right now. 30 seconds got a soul collector flag. But it's got an X of death. The X of death. Okay. Very good. I wanted to come up a little bit more. I'm gonna add.
Daddy,
Opening fib. Hit
is
again.
that you?
Here's my opening fib. 24521. Do I have mine off again?
According to the IEA.
Oh, you probably
saying
have
initial
the
oil
one in
volumes from
between.
reserves started to be available.
What fib was that? Chat.
Not true. Welcome to the Soul Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Yeah, I haven't traded on gold because Apex is
ECB Stenaris says the EU should issue
still being
debt
weird.
jointly to finance defence, green transaction and strategic investment. The
What would they
IEA
stop?
confirms member country contributions to collective action to release oil stocks in response to the Middle East disruption.
This is a great lower high here. I don't want to go in too much. Let's just be thankful what I have now. I want to go in heavier.
The
They
IEA
should, right?
says member countries have contributed 426 million barrels of oil. An
Yeah,
IEA says
daily,
overall
yeah.
release of emergency stocks will largely consist of crude oil.
Well, hello everybody, this is Donald J. Trump. You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time
Dude,
at
what is doing?
financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Isn't that one big, huge, brilliant deal? Come on, people.
Fucking.
And the IEA says this is being complemented by additional production from countries
Nah,
in the Americas.
Yo, people were fucking just going ham buying gold and just letting it rip and make 10 G's. Why is this shit lagging though? It should be lagging. I fixed the bit rate on it, I guess. So, 30-second chart, this just hit perfect. So it might come back up to like 502s and then rip back down. Oh yeah, look at the 5. This is gonna go way, way further down, by the way. Kinda wanna try it. Like 450s. Once it breaks below.
Trump is believed to support Bureau's appeal on Powell's subpoenas, and Trump was open to the idea of ending the Fed probe until the judges
Be okay. JC Bayo, this is futures. It's the same thing as the NASDAQ. If you were to do options, but you gotta short it. Hold on one second. Sorry, I didn't realize what time it was. My son came home. Well, SPY is more like ES. This is NASDAQ. Okay, we broke below. So I'm going to try to hold one to 450.
So we have posted the IEA oil stocks statement on the feed for those interested.
Yeah, but Daily, I want to know what your fib level is that you balance off of. I don't have them all because I don't want them crowding up my shit, bruh. That was the 0 to 0 up here. I bet you that's a 23. I don't think I have that one on. See if I do. See, I don't have it. So it probably was. Let's see. Oh, it's not. Really weird. Maybe the 930 to 10. Because it ripped up way past 10, right? Well, here's 10. And then it kept ripping up even further. I like the fucking high to lows. I'm almost like do it manually. My manual ones are fucking better. Okay, let's clean this up just a little bit. So TP is 474s for the first two, and then I'm gonna see if it comes down to 450. Oh. Yeah, I don't know why mine's off. I don't know what the fuck you guys are doing different.
Daddy? Is that you?
I meant to say if I manually draw it, I think it's better. I don't fucking know. I can't figure it out. Some days my shit's spot on with yours, and some days it's not.
According to CNBC, Meta backtracks on decision to end Horizon Worlds VR.
5 is cooking though. 5 is good, guys. I almost want to bring this down. Not to be greedy, just it looks really good.
Mr. Hernandez, welcome to the cell, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Bang bang. One out. Bang bang. Oh my god. Bang bang.
NYMEX WTI crude April futures settle at around $96.14 a barrel, down 18 cents or 0.19%. NYMEX gasoline April futures settle at around $3.12 a gallon. NYMEX diesel April futures settle at around $4.34 a gallon. And finally, NYMEX natural gas April futures settle at around $3.16.
So we just hit that fair value gap, and we're on the cookie line. 5-minute cloud. It loves the cookie. Can't resist it. It can't. So sometimes it bounces. We could take one off just to reduce our risk, right? I got you, Daddy. Got you, bro. It's something I pay for, Walter. On
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my face.
Thank you for the gifts. The final countdown. Yeah, so this update is gonna be going to you guys soon. The bully blocks. Pretty nice. I just I'm doing the best I can. Kind of perfect it, you know? Wop wop? Does that mean a
Daddy?
good thing? Wop wop?
Is that you?
Or wah wah? Wah wah? Or say woohoo? Woohoo!
There you go. Tom Williams, welcome to the Cell, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei.
Shane! Shane! Is that why you are here?
Is this why you are not here? I'd say this angle makes me look fucking small, bro. Where's Scat these days? He's on oh, he's Daily Fanatic on TikTok. Let's see. Daddy chill, Antonio.
Daddy, chill.
Daily's everywhere. He's on my kick. He's on my look, he's coming in. He's stopping right now. I think Power. She listens. She listens in the background sometimes. He's everywhere. I still think this drops. But we're still at the 449, 450. I haven't seen. Oh, I've been off for a couple days, so he might be somewheres. Of these fibs, that's my indicator that's doing that. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that in TikTok. I just wanted to confirm it more, but it's been working very well. And you guys can customize that. You just do 50% into the indicator. Called bully pullback bounce. So this is how I have it right now. I have one off because it's the very small pullbacks. Dude, I really want to bring this down lower. The TP, but I don't want to be greedy. I don't want to be greedy. But we'll see. So I have the second one on. And then I'm having the 0.5 and the 78. And then if you want to take off the fill, I took off all the signals. trying to think where the fuck I put the fill thing. I think it's under style. Oh yeah, so I take off line fills. That's where I'm gonna update that too. But I want you guys to have the option for it though. Alright, we just hit TP. But I'm gonna put it in the setting. You let it one run? Nice. Oh, you hit dab? So how do I know to take the bigger moves, right? So these little chop areas, so say from this bottom to the top here, you can assume that it's not a big move before the pullback, right? Now we have a much bigger move going up to a semi higher point here, along with VWAP and the 150 EMA. Rejects off of both. We start to come down. We get some bearish candles. We enter. So I hold it to the 50%. We could actually get along pretty soon, guys, actually. Nice game time. Nice. Yeah, this could actually go up. So I might actually long this. I'm going to long 2. Now, there is some spots that can come down, so keep it tight. I would say if it starts coming down again, like 424, we're wrong. And we should walk away. Well, let's see what happens. I'll even put a sell here. Problem is there's like one right there too, and you're like, dude, do I just fucking hold it more or you don't? But you can always get back in. I keep telling myself this, and you know, I'm like, oh, the fees, this, I might as well just hold it fucking $10 extra. And then you know what happens? It pyramids down. We'll see. Guys, hit that follow button. If you're not following, hit that follow button, or you're gonna go in the fucking dungeon, baby. I'm not punished right now for some reason. I mean, I'm happy I'm not punished on TikTok. But, like, in the morning time, I'm punished. I don't get it. Very weird. Ah, dude, I love those little guys that are running around. Do you guys like that? I think it's fucking hilarious. Toxic. Yo, the memes on, KIK is better. Bro, are you, like, overstimulated right now? Daily?
Daddy?
He said,
Is
always.
that you?
No, I meant, like, having... You're everywhere, bro. You're just on Discord, KIK.
Bun tut. Welcome to the cell, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
What do you guys think? You think it's gonna bounce up here? Looking a little weak. Looking a little weak. Problem is, it can fucking easily go here and then rip the fuck back up. But we're at the 0.5 fib level for me on other levels, all these levels. Yep. Tweak, yeah, Daily has like first off, I pictured Daily on the beach in one of those beach chairs, and he's got the helmet, or at least there's like this thing where you can buy, you can put it on your shoulder, leans out, and he's got the screens across. Got the tism. Damn, see, I'm moving it down already. I'm in a long on MNQ, but it might want to come down a little bit further. Like 23s. Why'd I long? Because it started to bounce off the 0.50 level. Also, we just had this huge drop that we capitalized on the entire move. Problem is, there's so many levels here. It looked like it was gonna bounce, and it's still fighting it. Bro, I would be on the beach trading. I'm thinking about in the summertime, fucking bringing a laptop setup outside, so I could be in my fucking pool. I'm gonna be fucking wearing this. Yeah, it's somewhere's around here. It's hard to catch these sometimes when there's so many. There's so many. And then you're like, you know, if it does fail, you're like, fuck, I just held through it. So it's like, it's iffy. It's always iffy, you know? Alright, there's another buy. I'm gonna, oh, shit, I wanted to buy one, not fucking four. Might get out one of them if it comes back up. Bro, he lives in, well, he lives, I'm answering for him. I'm your fucking talker now, Daily. No, he lives in, he lives somewhere in North USA, and then he goes down to the Bahamas because his wife's being a doctor. So he's down there a lot. I definitely just like hijacked. I just like hijacked your answer. It doesn't go up now. I'll be pretty surprised. Weak. Ah, that's funny. I have a buy stop up there in case it explodes. Yeah, it's gonna make a choice soon. Tennessee. Yeah, I'm in a long now, but it's kind of, I don't know what it's doing. This should come up again. Being weird. And we easily can come up to the 72s. We just needed to start bottoming out. I mean, we got 2 blocks here. I think we're good right now. This is what I was trying to say. Like, it was hard to pick the exact spot. Oh, you think it's going down? Let's see. Let's look at crude. Yeah, crude is giving me short. You got this 96.13 up here. Love Shack. Love Shack. Have they? You know, it's always hit or miss for me, Mallory. Because we used to look at gold so much, but you know what? Oil's like liquid gold, so maybe they're reversing. Maybe they're reversing. Could be. My only problem on oil is you're very observant. I like that. I see everything, by the way. See everything. What does bully bears means? It means I'm both. I was born half bull, half bear. I feel like fucking oil's not done. But we'll see. MNQ's throwing me off. So it always used to be gold that you reversed.
Israel's Prime Minister Netanyahu says Iran has no capacity to enrich uranium or make ballistic missiles after 20 days of war.
I believe it, bro. Bro, he's messing a lot of things up recently. Or maybe he's a tweaker. He's got 29. Mallory's got 25. Daily, you're a fucking loser, bro. 18? Fucking loser.
According to the Wall Street Journal, Jeff Bezos in talks to raise $100 billion for a fund to buy manufacturing firms.
Scott, you think so? They were saying that I can get
this Wall Street Journal article. Jeff
a
Bezos is in
violation.
early talks to
YT,
raise
I can't.
$100 billion for a new fund that would buy up manufacturing companies and seek to use AI technology to accelerate their path to automation. The Amazon founder is meeting with some of the world's largest asset managers in order to raise funding for the project. A few months ago, he traveled to the Middle East to discuss the new fund with sovereign wealth representatives in the region.
Man, is this gonna go or what? I'm more of a day trader, Walter. Walter White. I mean, I invest in crypto, but I'm more of a day trader. Man, this is getting a little wacky here.
We have posted the Wall Street Journal article on the feed for those interested.
Daniel, there's a couple spots down here that it can
says
do.
Too soon to tell if Iranians will take to the streets.
Yeah, this is no good. I'm getting out. It's playing really weird games. Whoever the fuck is talking right now is fucking shit up. No, I was in a long rider. So, Israel Prime Minister says it is too soon to tell if Iranians will take it to the streets. So basically meaning boots on the ground. It's still fucking good. Did I just puss out? I'm going back in long. I don't know why I was so soft on that. If I lose it again, then I'll walk away. But this is still good. I just gave back a couple dollars though. I'm longing, but This Israel guy is throwing me off.
Netanyahu says US and Israel destroyed Iran's fleet in the Caspian Sea.
I win in 5. I need to put 1 extra to make up that little stupid loss I just did. Oh yeah, we shorted already, Ryder. We got out, and then we're trying to buy the bottom here. I'm gonna take some out around this area. 445. But I'm in 5. I added 1 extra because I'm mad at myself being soft. It's easily still good. I said out loud that it can come down and want to grab this real quick and then rip up, and I still got out. I think the news is what scares me. Who the fuck? No, MLC has been off, right? I am usually right, Tweak? And then I get fucking monstered.
You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader,
No, I'm not playing the trend line.
financialjuice.com/.
This has been really good though, that trend line.
60.
That's the daily trend line, this yellow one. It's been pretty resistant all day. It either rips through or doesn't. But we can easily come up to 468s. It could. It rejected that area pretty well. I'm going to find out real quick. I just think that it needs a bigger pullback. Look at this huge rip down that we got. But it could pull back and then rip out. Let's look at the 30-second. If we got rockets, then saying don't. That's because I'm a nut daily. I've probably been trading a lot longer than them. Those guys. Some of them are pretty good though. Like they get a lot of profit. I just don't know. I don't believe everything. You guys see me emotionally get distressed. Some of those guys you don't see any emotion from, so I'm like,
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at the
are they
fucking
trading
smile
money?
on my face.
Or
They
maybe
say
I'm
money
just,
can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my face.
maybe I'm just soft. Thank you for the lightning. I could just be soft too. We needed to rip through here. Look at the 5. It's right at that 50% on the larger one, so it could stop here. Just keep it tight. That's what she said. Oh, dude, there's people that spend a lot of money. I thought I spent way more money. I have like 200 accounts on Apex. I'm being dead ass. During the $20 sales, the $19, I used to go fucking ham just trying to catch them, to get some. But I was nervous, but my taxes, I made way more money. I made way more money than I spent. Was that another winner? Tomorrow's quad witching? Ah, that's scary. Ryder. Scary.
Brent crude futures settle at around $108.65 a barrel, at $1.27 or 1.18%.
No, it's not. It's 78% is 500.
Daddy?
Whoa,
Is
daddy.
that you? Richard Bravo, welcome to the Salad Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
What the fuck came out? Again, they're claiming that they destroyed their fleet. We know how that goes though, guys, so be careful. We said that news about
Netanyahu said
fucking
Israel helping the
15,000
US open
times.
the Strait of Hormuz.
You guys agree?
Seeing a little bit of upwards movement in the S&P 500 and some downside movement in the dollar.
Jeez.
New Zealand dollar gains 1% versus the US
Thank
dollar.
you. Thank you. What the fuck? What's the news? Other than the US and Israel destroyed Iran's fleet in the Caspian Sea. Cool, but we've said that numerous fucking times. Or maybe Israel never said it. So this is gonna be a hard one. Probably gonna get stopped out here. Israel is helping the US open the Strait of Hormuz. Wow, that's fucking pretty bullish. I might give it a little bit more wiggle room. Might give it more wiggle room. 521 again, huh? And my level says 545 around that. Or was that the actual whole thing? I don't know. Gonna keep going. Doing better, Powers? Yeah, at least we're getting some swings, right? Continuations. It's the look, it's chop, 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 swing, chop, 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 swing that fucks you up. Yeah, I don't even know where to fucking take this TP. Anybody got an idea? To the top? 650? So the 5-minute that I was looking at worked out beautiful. Literally beautiful. Holy fuck, dude, that thing is ripping. It held the whole time, it held. It went below, but it held. Rip City. Fucking boner candles, guys. Boner candles. Soul Collector.
According to the FT, the SEC urged to restrict Chinese companies' access to US capital markets.
You're out now? I'm going to trail just a little bit of it. I've already made a lot of money on this trade. What's up, Persia Perez? Oh, you're one of those, huh? I'm thinking 650, bro. It's probably going to stop me out here, though. I don't think I can handle it. I think I'm going to take the TP here. Or stop being a pussy. Which one is it? It's probably going to be real dramatic here. It could, Walter, it could.
Netanyahu says there are many possibilities for a ground component.
560?
I won't share
I like
what
it.
they are.
Alright, I like this low. I like this below this low here. I think I'm gonna get stopped out though. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna get stopped out. I'm gonna take the TP.
The S&P 500 index and Nasdaq 100 quickly pair decline.
Whoa! Fucking like, can I get a W in the chat? Fuck! W's. Let's get some W's.
You say money can't buy happiness? Look at the fucking smile on my face.
Had been down
Oh,
as much
yeah.
as 1%.
Thank you, Daly. Woo! If you guys got any of that, please give me 50 likes. Come on. That was worth 50 likes each. At minimum. And hit that fucking follow button.
Or you're going in the f***ing dungeon.
Still might rip up. Still might rip up.
Daddy?
X6, you motherfucker. W's, baby. It's still gonna rip up, huh? Get him a hundo? Yeah, give me something. Man, this is ripping up. Good, are you still in it, Mallory? Whoa, damn! Yeah, I would be like another fucking $100 each. Yeah, 620. You called it. 620s. You fucking better be in here. $60 cash last week. $343 on a micro. Isn't that crazy? Woo! Woo! Oh, 2,500. Taking a sit down soon? Yeah. Damn, this thing is ripping. All right, let's seriously look to see where this can go. I mean, this trend line is 650s. Has been holding for fucking a billion years right now, so. Fucking boner candles all the way up. Oh, man! Damn! Oh! It hurts! It hurts! Oh, I'm gonna collapse!
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my face.
Oh my god! It hurts! It hurts! Stop going!
Money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking
You're
smile
going
on
without
my
me!
face. Look at the fucking smile on my face.
Guys, I'm on a fucking treadmill doing that, by the way. I almost fell off 3 times. Pretty impressive. 475 and a micro. Fucking good shit. Texas, thank you for the roses.
According to the US Treasury Department website, the US issues new Russia-related general license.
$500. Fucking sweet, Mallory. Good trade. Good trade. Man. Woo! Woo! Sorry.
Daddy, chill.
Sorry. Fucking sweet, Texas. Sweet.
The Australian dollar rises 1% to a session high.
Are you not entertained?
That's not why you are here.
Ooh, good song.
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at the smile
Love
on
trading
smile
games
on
on,
my
man.
face.
From 90 something to breach now about 50K. That's what I'm fucking talking about, Tweak. This song is
Netanyahu
great.
says need alternative routes that avoid Hormuz and the Red Sea choke points.
Oh, I thought that was the Metallica.
According to the Treasury Department website, the US
Dude,
license allows
this is gonna
to
go
sell
up higher.
additional
It's
crude
going
oil
up
and petroleum
higher.
products
We're gonna
loaded
go
on
to
vessels as of March
820s.
Is that
Going to
you?
820s. Fuck. I don't want to chase this, but it's probably gonna go to 820s.
Japanese Prime Minister Takaichi says Japan will keep close ties with the US over Iran. Currently speaking at a press conference in Washington, Takaichi says Japan to increase imports of oil from the US.
Raymond, welcome to the Solid Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Yeah. This is a hard one here. Let's see. I mean, we hit that 61s. We hit that 61. I'm gonna calm down. 'Cause I'm getting too hyped up. It's gonna keep going. But let's be realistic here, all right? Fucking like boner central though, huh? Yeah.
Netanyahu says won't put a stopwatch on ending the war. The idea Israel dragged the US to war is ridiculous. I would need pipelines bypassing the Hormuz.
Falling, isn't it? Falling. Catching this though is gonna be like catching these hands. No, I'm just joking. It's gonna be like
Netanyahu says
fucking.
Israel
It's
acts
gonna be hard.
alone
It's gonna be
against the
hard.
South Pars.
My food's gonna get cold,
Netanyahu
guys. I
says
need like
Trump
3
asked
minutes.
us to hold off on future such attacks.
Thank you, game time. Yeah, nah, Valerie. I don't
According to
know,
US
man.
official, the US
Girl.
is encouraged by
I
China's
said man,
first
girl,
public enforcement
girl. You're a
actions
girl.
related to fentanyl problem since Busan leaders meeting.
This could keep going up. This could keep going up. This is like JB on Viagra.
The US official further says the US
Yeah.
seizure and
Yeah,
convictions by
I think
China
it's gonna
to
keep
curb
going up.
fentanyl problem, not just arrests.
Man. I'm gonna turn the camera off real quick. I gotta get my food. It's fucking getting cold. We even below 48,100 at one point, then Bully come on. Oh shit, he said lock it. Yo, he's writing down his trades and everything, bro.
The US
So, you
official
see
says
how
the
this is
chemical
reacting here?
precursors supplying narco-terrorists still predominantly come from China.
DR? Bro, you can bring me You can bring me something a little bit more expensive at DR, bro. I'm just joking. I'm just joking. Yeah, that's why I'm like, all right, let's chill, let's chill. But, you know, we are rejecting this twice now. Twice. And it's a 1.68. The 5-minute is there too. There's a lot of reasons to short this right now. Man, I really do want a short one. I'm gonna
Japanese
try it.
Minister Takaichi said agreed with Trump
I'm
to
only doing
cooperate
one.
on missile development.
I'm only doing one. Cause I'm just I don't know. I don't know. You know, that fucking ripped up like crazy. Now easily get to 556. But we can also like slowly grind up to these areas. 820s, 900s. It's not an issue. It definitely needs a breather though, right? Still won't scalp it out here. Triple Witching Day is when like you got your weekly options that expire, you got your monthly expire, and then you got your quarterly expiration on options. So say MNQ, say there was a lot of buys, the banks could like really fucking short the shit out of it, so everybody loses that money and they get it. Does that make sense? We should have waited for this, see if it rejected. This year's first witching? Probably.
Treasuries erase drop after US authorizes Russian oil supply.
I mean, I think I could look at this. This is a pretty cool thing on MNQ. You can go to contracts or options, right? Options. And you can actually look out to see what's today. Is it tomorrow? So like there's a lot. I think it's going to be below 24,400. Here's the witching hour one, MQ3. I can't read it the greatest, but the volume's really crazy. It looks like they don't have the quarterly, but it does finish tomorrow. So you got a lot shorting it. You got a lot here. All right, we're gonna see if this denies here. I gotta go get my food real quick. We should be okay. I'll put my stop loss.
Japanese Prime Minister Takaichi says they discussed legal limits to Japan help on Hormuz.
If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Okay. Be right back.
And that concludes the press conference from Japan Prime Minister Takaichi. Google begins testing Gemini Mac app to match ChatGPT and Claude, with Google starting sharing Gemini Mac app in consumer beta program, and Google begins testing Gemini Mac app to match ChatGPT and Claude.
I'm gonna try to eat while walking on the treadmill. You think I could do that? Pretty talented. I think that's what like Trump's kind of doing, because we don't need it. I'm eating while walking.
Daddy? Is that you?
It's me, Daddy. We need a big drop right here. Yeah. I'm going for like 550s. I don't know though. Like a lot of rejections here. Both ways. Exactly. I don't know. I mean, it has to pull back. It doesn't have to, but most likely you would think a little bit, right? A rest? Sorry, my eating's loud. No. No, Mallory. I think it dumps. It'll slow down too much right here, you know what I mean? You don't have a rip like that with a slowdown unless they're gonna bring it down, I think. Everyone's watching. And I'm not in that much because, I mean, we made a lot of money that last trade. WT on
US stock
YT.
index pair losses and briefly turned positive.
It's more like
in
what
choppy
Israel
trading as
said.
oil prices turned lower and the S&P 500 last down 0.
Israel said they're gonna help us more with the straight. And JB, you said something about Japan.
So we did see a big influx in S&P 500 and some downturn in
Is
the US
Japan gonna
dollar.
help too?
A moment ago, we don't see any news directly.
I'm in
causing
at
this move, but we'll keep looking
627,
right
so you
now.
got a really good entry. Daily. Yep, there's the anchors. If we break,
According to Fox, a House report warns China leverages UN troops and funding.
if we break this one,
Say money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my face.
nice. Thank you for the rose.
A bit more into this article from Fox. Beijing's growing influence inside the United Nations is raising alarms after a new report from the House Select Committee on China warns the Chinese Communist Party is allegedly leveraging money and personal and peacekeeping deployments to advance its strategic interests.
What the fuck does that mean? don't know. It's not falling quick enough. We need a lower high here. I think we Gucci though. Right here, this level, if it can't hold, we're good. We're good. And then I need to like dump on my chest. Fucking weirdos. You guys want to see that, don't you? The logic behind the colors? The purple candles are my bully blocks, which is an order block, but with my twist. Cleveland streamer bully? The hell? So it's my twist with the purple order blocks. I call them bully blocks. But gold and yellow means extremely overbought. Extremely in that short of time. Doesn't mean it's going to reverse, but it's telling you this is abnormal. Orange means that it's slowing down. It's a semi overbought. So you can see that it started to slow down, go to orange, and back to green. Now we're starting to dwindle down. Oh, thanks, JV. Yeah, I'm trying to clean them up now. I think I got a really good strategy. But now it's just like cleaning it up, decluttering, so I can teach it easier. I mean, they do work. You know, they work better on stocks, right? All right, we're at a breaking point right here. Oh, you're off of it, JB? You're right. Yeah, but it's gonna easily come up back up to this. Did the meme business slow down, JB? Yeah, that's not a bad idea, Walter.
Well, hello everybody, this is Donald J. Trump. You're behind.
Not a bad idea. I mean, we're starting to go yellow to orange, so we gotta be careful. I know, right? Boop. That happens. Nice and slow, baby. My plan is first TP is 556. Sorry, I'm eating. Hold on. Oh, you see this rejection? I don't like it. Be careful. Be careful. I don't like it. So my bully block is right here. It just denied it. I think there's a lot more room to come down, so we're probably good. But we gotta watch it. That's all I mean. Like, we gotta watch it, okay? We just gotta watch it. Honestly, like, if it comes back up above this candle, I'm gonna get out. 603s. You know, I think it wants the 50%, but like even my fib levels are starting to switch to the long side, so just be careful. But we can easily still come down. I still think we come down. Yeah, I still think we come down. I just got to be weary of it. You know what I mean? Got to be wary. I'm still kind of like chilling, so.
Daddy, chill.
Gotta chill, Antonio. I could be stopped out. It looks like I'm going to be. This is holding.
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at that fucking smile on my face.
Thank you, Mallory. Yeah, I think this might want up. Alright, I'll just leave it there. I'm not gonna save $10. If it doesn't, then it doesn't. You guys see my logic though, right? I'm like, you see it stopped here, it stalled. There's somebody buying. Also, look at the 5. Look at the 5-minute. What do we touch? The cookie. It can't resist it. It's like a butt. Somebody booty. It can't resist not touching it. Ooh, nice, nice. Come on. Maybe I should trim one now since I'm being a little girl about it, right?
Set hit record 7.856 trillion.
I'm being a little girl about it, so if I take out one now, it's okay. Can't say girl about it. You girls are strong. I meant to say a wuss. A wuss. You guys know what I meant. Me too. We can't lose right now. We can't lose. I'm still walking and eating. This is very impressive. I'm still in my shorts, but I just trimmed some off, Waka. You know, look at these wicks. There's some buying power here, too, so. If anything, it can come up to this 50, 628, and then fall. See it? Curling. You gotta be careful. If it does fail, then it's just buyer's first shorts right now. Who wins? Yeah, Waka, we got both ways. We are switch hitters here. Come on. Dude, this is gonna go up. It is usually right, but this is holding really crazy. If we get stopped out of this, I think we should just chill and wait. I think we should do that. Because I'm seeing both ways. Oh, knocked out. Nice, Mr. Dad. Nice. Oh, there he goes. Walker's gonna play games. Gonna play games. I don't know. You guys think up or down? It could be accumulating and go down more. I don't know. I want to. There's just. It's too risky to get in here. We didn't get an X of death, so it makes me think it still wants to come down to the blue line. There it goes, you fucker. Damn it. There it goes. Yep. Fuck. Thought it didn't go long. I'm still happy with my decision. There's your 50% right there. Woo! Yeah. Yeah, we're still we're still fucking green, right? So would have been a fucking banger right there, though. Yeah, we're at the 50% right now. That's what I originally thought, Waka. Dad says 520. That's what I thought too. I was gonna take my TP was right here, and then 520 right here. But I guess I was just a wuss. Daily, don't rush it, bro. Let's wait. You're waiting for 25 2-4s? Well, I want to see how it reacts on VWAP here. I think it's making a decision, Valentin. I'm not really confident in. I'm just not confident in the short yet. We hit that 50% like a fucking spanked it. And we got 10 minutes to MOC in balance. That comes out at 450, and what it is the feds, they adjust the books, right? So according to even options, but I believe it's mostly on bonds, right? They adjust the bonds and their books to adjust to how the market's reacting, so they can inject money in or take money out. But you can usually see if it's like over $1 billion. I don't know if you guys noticed, but it doesn't really move unless it's like over $1 billion or more. Hasn't been doing shit. I feel like the market has changed. The market has changed. $6.15 long. Yeah, but then your risk to reward is gone, in my opinion. Thanks, Tom Williams. In the Discord, there's a whole entire section of how to use it all. And then if you need help after you read it, then I'll help you out. You got to read it though. Center environment. Does the environment I don't know, I'm trying to be a dickhead, but now I feel bad if you're a real person. Now I feel bad. What if you're a real person, Julia? Julia. Yes. That's another issue too. Like, news is probably crazy with affecting what they're doing. I do want to fix this bully block. Just one more thing before I release it to you guys. You guys have the other one, but this new update, I kind of like it a lot. But I mean, we're still making lower highs, balancing. I don't know. If anything, I just got a short. But so here's the thing. This is how you use it, right? So I got a short, right? But there's
Dollar
another
index and losses
block
is
right
down
here.
1%.
668, and you guys gotta realize that it can bounce back and forth. But it could go long. We have to, in my opinion, I need to wait to see what the hell is going on first. Gonna eat. You think up or down? And those contracts don't expire until tomorrow, right? At 4 o'clock tomorrow night, or New York time. I'm either or on this. I'm either or on this. If I were to go up higher in time frame, like we could bounce up, right? We could come up and do a what's it called? A divergent swings, right? It does feel risky for sure. I mean, this is a long move too. Like a lot of people play this move here. You know, bouncing off of the 50% area and then rips up. So it's possible. Does feel risky though. Just because it ripped up to the moon. And guys, you guys can use me as an indicator because when I start talking like that, that means I don't fucking know. And usually means that the market's gonna rip back and forth. You need to take money out. I mean, that was a lot of money that ripped into the market, right? that last bit. So taking it out, if they want to collect it for themselves, yeah. But honestly, it's like petty cash to them. That's nothing. I feel like it's petty cash. Oh. Oil. Tweak, you didn't know that? Oh man. Daily Fanatics, you might have to change your name to Scat. Well, I'm at 13,000 steps. Shit. I'm gonna collapse after this. He does. He's a good asset to this community. Hungry eyes. Nah, Lucid's unlimited. I think if you were hyper scalping like with a bot, they're gonna notice though. But if you're human, you're fine. I know you're not human though, Morsi. That's why I said that. Yeah, you've been here for a while. Daily. Trying to think who's been here like the longest. It's probably a tie between Liberty, Mr. Dad, Powers, and maybe Mr. Bastard. X6, you've been here for a while. You in class? The Trump coin days. Oh my god. Yeah, we got burned on that fucking coin, bro. I still got my fuck. What's her name? The fuck's her name? What's Trump's wife's name? Valerie. Fuck, why am I going blank? Melania, there you go. I still have it. Bro, that was gonna rip. And then never Trump came out and said, I still remember it to this day. It was prime to spring load. I promise you, Trump coin and Melania, right? Was prime to fucking move, right? WLFI, yep. There's some secret underground shit with that too. That Trump family owns that. Trump goes on the air, and they're like, congratulations, Trump. Your coin's doing phenomenal. And he's like, really? He's like, I really don't know anything about it. I don't even know what it does. And it fucking dumped. Oh my god. Oh, dude, we were primed to make some money that day. I swear. I promise. And it just fucking, man. He could have said anything. Oh, it's gonna go up higher. Why could he have said that? It's gonna go up higher. I mean, he was probably just being honest. He's an old fart, right? He doesn't understand crypto. I barely understand crypto. And I've been in Bitcoin since fucking 6K. All right, we got 1 minute left. 1 minute left to MOC. What do you guys think?
1 minute remaining for the market.
Yo,
on
anything
close in
but that, it would have mooned. I don't even know what it does. What the fuck? You think he said that on purpose? I really think he had no clue. He could have. I mean, he's not an idiot, right? Funnels. I mean, but a lot of their Trump stuff is like in Crow coin right now, so they got to know something, right? I guess that would be naive of me. Or maybe he doesn't need to know, and there's just financial experts out there fucking doing it for him.
10 seconds.
Yeah, they got me fooled too. He's financially educated. I guess if you just take it out of the picture, right?
Market on close imbalance. S&P 500 sell side 15 million. Nasdaq 100 sell side 12 million. Dow 30 sell
What?
side 8 million. Mag 7 sell side 5
That's
million.
nothing, guys. Hold on. Wait. Let's confirm this. This is $12 million. That's it? It said that, right? That's so low. It's usually fucking $1 billion, guys. It's usually $1 billion. Daily Fanatic, yeah, he's financially educated. I guess if you just take money alone and take out the concept, yeah, dude, it was something low, something stupid. It'll update me in a second. Nasdaq 132 million. That was it. S&P 500, they took out 278 million. Dow 39. The Mag 7 279 plus. All right, let's see what happens here. We might long it. Taking a long. I want to wait to see how this candle reacts, though. Get one more good one. Gotta wait. I thought he said 12 million too. I mean, 132 million ain't shit either, right? I want to buy. But, yeah, I mean, we're here. Let me see. What's the hourly? Oh, yeah, Jesus. This could come down too. Like, I'm up in the air on this one. I mean, it's still chilling. 1 minute looks good though, man. It looks good. All right, I'm gonna put a buy order, only one, because only do one, guys. Unless you got a bigger count, do a little bit more. But 581. Then once this, okay, I'm in long. Now, do we fucking scalp it out here at 96,600, or do we try to go to the higher one, 617s? I don't know. I'm up in the air in this one, guys, so please accept your losses if we're wrong. Accept your losses if we're wrong. I mean, to hit this small time frame here, let me blow it up a little bit. from high to low on this little swing, we hit that 50% instantly. Instantly. But the bigger one here, which we're kind of making a higher low, right? The 50% is all the way up here at 618. So I think it wants 618s. I longed. But I need you guys to accept your loss if we're wrong. Trying to think of a good stop loss here though, because you know, if it come down here and still be right. Still be right. Still deciding. Oh, Julia, go fuck off. Yeah, do you think that's... I don't know if this is a good idea or not. I'm not sure. I'm trying to think where the stop loss should be. I do think 599 should be our stop. I'm going to stick with that. 599s. We got 10 seconds before this 55 comes, so it might fucking rip us out. I'll make the stop loss a little bit bigger. All right, there he goes.
4:05 p.m. Eastern Time, expecting FedEx Q3 2026 earnings. Estimated EPS $4.
Come on, Daddy.
Estimated revenue 26.46 billion.
Come on. Definitely moves it. Wah, wah, wah. Baby. Need some magnets? We don't need no fucking magnets in this damn place. In our trade as it plummets down. Nah, it's... See how it's like... It's gonna play games here. What do we do? What do we do? I'll help you out though. What do we do? Summons this bitch up. Oof. Pull it, baby. Pull it. Oof.
Total money market fund assets rose by 38.68 billion to 7.86 trillion for the week ending March 18th, according to
Pull it,
ICI.
baby. Pull it. Pull it, Daddy. Sorry if you guys got kids at home. Pull it, Daddy. Come on. Come on. Uh-oh. Need a bigger. The hourly at in 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Let's see. Damn, another rejection. This doesn't got the juice, baby. No juice. No. Can't even say what I'm gonna say. Two-hour candle. Who's gonna give me the 6-hour candle open? We got 30 seconds left to see. Thirty seconds left.
I know in 5 minutes' time, expecting the FedEx Q3 2026 earnings. Estimated
FedEx
EPS
is a big one.
$4.11. Estimated revenue 26.46 billion.
Because FedEx means, are we ordering stuff? Are we buying? If FedEx is down, that means economy's down. So it actually is pretty big part of it. That's 1605. Does that make sense? While we're waiting, guys, give me, if you don't mind, if you made any fucking money today, 50 likes each. 50 likes each. Get me out of this TikTok jail. 50 likes each. Help a brother out.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei.
Take you about 32 seconds if you're slow. I understand some of you guys are slow. I get it. I get it. We were born like that. We were all born like that. It's waiting for the FedEx. That's 1605. In 4 minutes. So keep this one tight, guys. Keep it tight. I'm gonna move this up just below the lower low here. Like if it breaks it, then structure is completely just done, right? We don't know what's going on. It's gonna suck if we get whipped out, but these are hard ones. I think we are gonna get wicked out. Sucks. It needs to rip up now. Unless it's gonna soul grab here. Make sure it's not a soul grab. I don't think so. Yeah, I'm gonna say SanDisk. Yeah, we could do SanDisk while we're waiting. Only for you, JB. The fucker. What's SanDisk? Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Was it SNDK? SNDK? Okay. Oh my god. Dude, what the fuck? Dude.
The
This thing is-
RBNZ to hold news conference with April 8th OCR review.
This thing's insane. It's probably a double top, so you got to be careful. It definitely is a double top on the RSI. This made a high. This new high is not making a new high in the RSI. So we could be getting to the top sooner or later. Doesn't mean that it won't rip up to 1,000. It's just an indication of, hey, let's watch it. But I think a fib extension is probably best on this, right? And use it to like the nearest whole number. Let me make sure I did that right. $200 share? Damn. Did I give you good advice last time? I don't even know.
Surely expecting FedEx Q3 2026 earnings.
Oh, guys. Come on, baby. Higher low. Higher low. Nice. Okay.
RBNZ say Governor March 24th speech to be released at 9 a.m.
500, I think I said was the guaranteed. But, I mean, if you're looking at a fib level extension, you got 827s here.
The RBNZ hold
Nice.
conferences for all OCR decisions.
You got many levels here. Do you want to, you can take a screenshot of this if you want. You can see the levels right next to it. So next stop should be 827s. And then if it goes parabolic, you're going to the thousands easily. And then
The
this
RBNZ
is
says
this
Governor
one's
speaks to
stupid.
address impacts of Iran war.
This one's stupid right here. You got it? You get it?
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my face.
Alright.
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my face.
Weak with the roses. And keeps moving, baby. Come on, it's got to get past this level. That's the 0.23 extension.
Seeing FedEx earnings coming in now. Adjusted EPS $5.25. A
Whoa,
beat
is
on
it
the
adjusted?
estimate of $4.17. Revenue $24 billion. A beat on the estimate of $23.49 billion. FedEx sees fiscal year adjusted EPS at $19.30 to $20.10, previously seeing $17.80 to $19. Federal Express revenue $21.15 billion, a beat on the estimate of $20.58 billion. Freight revenue $1.99 billion, a miss on the estimate of $2.03 billion.
A miss?
Operating margin 6.7%, a beat on the estimate of 6.02%. With FedEx raising fiscal year 2026 earnings outlook, seeing adjusted operating income $1.62 billion, a beat on the estimate of $1.37 billion, and FedEx seeing fiscal year capex up to
I gotta see the
$4.1 billion,
numbers.
previously seeing $4.5 billion compared to the estimate of $4.31
Because
billion.
one missed and then another one beat it. The power of the magnet. Ooh! Yeah, something beat and something didn't. Well, they beat by almost $1 billion. They almost beat their sales. So we're buying. Economy's still buying. We don't give a fuck. That's what that means. All right, I'm gonna put this to a break even. Well, we're not break even. It's like $5 in profit. Oh, dude, the EPS, they moved it up almost $1.
According to a US trade representative, Japan to identify specific beneficial critical minerals mining and processing and manufacturing products
Oh,
in
so the
US
freight
and Japan
revenue. Okay.
and other countries. US-Japan to discuss trade measures that can support a resilient critical minerals marketplace among parties to a
Well, that could mean different shit,
bilateral
right?
agreement.
The freight means like overseas shit. I'm assuming freight.
And the US Japan
Freight
to focus
liners?
on initial price floor discussions on select critical minerals, with Japan released Critical Minerals Corporation.
I think so.
action
Scott
plan.
Bessent. Yeah. I think that's what that means. So like freight. I could be completely wrong. So don't fact check me on this.
FedEx
But,
shares went 2% after the bell following results.
The freight revenue's down, and I'm thinking because what did Trump do? Trump forced everybody to start producing in the USA. So that would make sense why they're almost making $1 billion more in this quarter, because they're keeping it internal. Yeah, he crashed Denmark. All those countries over there are very shady with their markets. I was just talking about this last week about Sweden. How they I think they cracked over 500 banks at one time. It was insane. Man, it's not going up, huh? Give me steps I got. Volume definitely died. Got 15,000 steps. Making money too, baby. Who you know can do that at both same time?
Daddy?
Denmark, I think Hims could
Is
be a
that you?
replacement. Shady shit like that happens, bro. I can't even guessing at those are super hard. Those are straight gamble trades. It's a great guess, JB, but I wouldn't bet my money on it unless it was super fucking cheap. Super cheap.
Cobri, welcome to the cell, Daddy.
But sometimes those gambles are the best
Daddy
ones.
chill.
Guys, hit that follow button. If you're not following,
Daddy? Is that You're you? going in the...
what prop do I use? I use Lucid and Apex. Use code BULLY, all caps. Lucid closes at 4:45, 4:50, and Apex is 5 p.m. New York time. Antonio, it's you.
Daddy chill.
Jordan, welcome to the cell, Daddy.
Daddy chill.
Yeah, it's got we still got like 45 minutes. I'm not gonna stay on that long. I'm gonna wait for this to see what plays out. But yeah, the two prop firms that I use is Apex. They got a new system now. Yes, they pay out, but they made it a little bit harder. It's not even harder. It's more like just watch your fucking money. Like me, I was an idiot today with my fucking Apexes. I need more wiggle room, so I'm wondering. I don't want to get the 150s though. I think I just need to stop oversizing. Especially in the morning time with that fucking whippiness. Even though I knew I would be right, I just fucking... It got me, right? It got me. I couldn't fucking hold it much longer. X6, I wouldn't touch this now. It's, the volume is so low. So low right now.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you?
See? Trying to take a picture of something. Hold on. Of my treadmill. Of my treadmill. Damn, can you see? Why is it sideways? Oh, we got it! JB, that's why I said, yo, I'm like, this looks weird. I'm taking a picture of my treadmill. Magnets work. Abdullah, welcome to the cell, daddy. It was still a risk, though, in my opinion, right? It was still a risk. 4,500, and that's actually cash too. Those are live, baby. Those are live.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you?
I need to add the Apex on though. Fucking Apex, man. I was like, ugh. Sorry. And the girls are pretty. I'm turning this fucking thing off. Mr. Dad, past trading time for you, keep you accountable. What, the walking? Yeah. You know, I'm doing two good things at the same time. Yeah, very rarely, Mallory. I usually don't trade too much. The only reason why I've even thought about holding that trade is because of the FedEx. It shows that the economy is still moving. And that's why we're getting this grind up. 20K likes. You guys are fucking awesome. Thank you guys so much. And we had a rough morning for streaming. I got a TikTok agent.
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at that fucking smile on my face.
Mallory, thank you for the roses. I appreciate you. And the lightning bout.
They say money can't buy happiness. They say money can't buy happiness. Look at that fucking smile on my face.
See it? Yeah, so I got a TikTok agent. They better fucking fix me, or I'm gonna fix them. Just joking. Just joking. Nah, but I obviously need help. I probably should be at triple the amount of followers right now, and I'm noticing that now because I'm starting to pay attention to the other streamers, and they're good streamers. Like, there's amazing streamers out there. I just think that I don't know how to say it. I do well, okay? It could be the mask. It could. You know, they don't trust me. But I'm not even getting... my problem is that I'm not even getting seen. I'm getting shadowed. Oh, yeah, I guess it could be that. You know what? I'll let them tell me that then. I don't see why not, though. Like, what if I look like... This is how I look like in real life. Sweden's most well-known trader influencer has a mask. Yeah. I don't think it's the mask. I mean, I know you need to move a lot. And maybe I need to, like, start doing fucking in between to show the movement. There could be issues. I know of unoriginal when the screen in the background is a problem. But I'm watching other streamers not do shit. They're not moving at all. If anything, I'm moving the most. I'm moving the most. But if you look at other streamers, they're not moving like me. Their screen is, you know, unless you want me to go like this, I don't know, like every 30 seconds, I can. So I need help. So I signed up with one of them. What's cool is that I didn't know this, but they don't make money off of you unless you grow. And TikTok pays them, not me. TikTok pays them because they want people, influencers and people to get on here to promote the app. So that's how you get it. But very frustrating. Oh man, very frustrating. I don't know why it slows down. It's freezing on me. I just deleted the app and reinstalled it today. I got so fed up. I am trying a new studio. I was gonna have TikTok stream through it, but as soon as I got to the agency, they said no, don't do that because TikTok is so sensitive. Little bitch. That's probably why I get shadowed. They're like, did he really just call me like a bitch? So, wow, this thing is ripping. Who said it might go up more? One of you guys did. Oh, Valentin. Can it go higher? Maybe, yeah. Yeah. I mean, we got a semi-close, right? 622s? Or wherever the fuck I was. Let's see where I was. 617s. Not too bad. But yeah, that's my issue going on now. I am gonna be. Can't even say it loud. I'm gonna be on the YT, the purple app, and now the green K app. Now, obviously, I got a Discord in the bio.
Daddy? Is that you?
That when we're
Is
not
that you?
live, we all bullshit.
Big Trade, welcome to the cell, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
I can't say it out loud, Texas. I gotta say it in code. K. I. How do I kick high? I can't kick that high. Thanks, Tweak. You just got me banned. I'll just fuck with you. Yeah, what he said. Tweak said it. Tweak said it. Alright, we just denied this. Man, this is a great short here, but is the volume here? Great short. The only problem is I gotta look at music for those. I can't play music on YT for sure. They fucking rip me a butthole, bro. So it might be some of you guys might like the quietness. I don't know. I gotta feel it out. I gotta figure it out. But you know, TikTok is obviously my most growth. I also need to put out more videos. That's one of my I was talking in code, Mallory, but yes. Yeah, the YT rips me. If Kick can, then I'll do it. And I think the purple app, which is Twitch, allows me to do it too. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna get fucking shadowed now. I'm just joking. I don't know, man. You say that, but I'm like, this thing is so sensitive to me. It's crazy. You'll know when I'm shadowed, though. Like, say, like, when I was giving the money away the other day, there was fucking 15 of you guys in there. That was it. Yeah, because of the AI. Yeah, I get that. We love TikTok. We love you, TikTok! But yeah, we're doing that. I already put a ticket out to him this morning. Like, fucking fix that shit, motherfuckers. I'm gonna get another agent. And I'll pay out of pocket. What else? What else can I wrap up? Wow, that sounds really bad to say. What else can I wrap up? Damn, look at this short we could have took. Did anybody take it? Probably did, Texas. Alright, let's wrap this bad boy up. Wow, why do I keep talking like that? It sounds so weird. Thank you for the roses.
They say money can't buy happiness. They say money can't buy happiness. Smile on my face. Fucking smile on my face.
Look at the fucking smile on my. Maybe I cursed too much too. Lucid closes at, I believe, 4:45. But it's my personality. You can't tame this fucking lion. Do you understand? You tame me, then I'm gone. There's nothing, there's nothing left. I need the curse. You get what the fuck I'm saying? So, I got a big schedule change. I got a pretty large promotion at work. I'm never
Daddy?
gonna be on it. I'm never
Is
gonna be
that
on
you?
again. Nah, I'm just joking. So basically, I still gonna be. I think I'm gonna be able to stream every day at least for an hour or two in the mornings, and then on my days off, I'll be doing the same shit I've always done. So if anything, I'm gonna be adding more time to streaming. But if I can at least get the mornings, you know. All the other traders curse a lot too. Yeah, I think I'm just punished. So I'm gonna be able to put more hours in. But my schedule's 6 p.m. to 4 a.m. So let's say I get to bed at fucking 5 a.m. I can sleep until like 9:30, get on for like an hour or two, and then go back to sleep. See how I feel, work out, and then we'll see if we can do power hour. Thank you, Texas. Eastern time, yeah. So yeah, I should be able to put some more hours in the morning time. Don't expect anything crazy though. I have to feel it out. But I can at least I can even if I don't get on at like the morning time, I can get on like lunchtime or something, you know. I gotta feel it out. London, I could do like a 5 to 8 in the morning, yeah. My problem is that sometimes I'll get followers that are only stream that time, so and then they'll be expecting me. Yeah, the days off, we'll get some Asia streams too. Because you know my schedule's gonna be all fucked up now. I'll be awake. I'll be awake. The 6 to 4 isn't that bad. Like, I've gone to sleep, 4 a.m. and get up at 9 every day. Shit, I go to work at I get up now for work at 2:50 a.m. and I go to bed at 9:30, 10 sometimes. Was that 11, 12, 1, 2, 5 hours? So I need 5 hours and then, but now I can still go back to sleep. That I can't, obviously. Ah, Mallory's like, hey, maybe you can do some London. She's like, but I mean, like, I'll be asleep, so I won't be here. That's funny. Six a.m. to 5. I fucking wish. Well, I don't wish because I love my 4 days off, man. It is a nice change, you know. The only thing that sucks working night times is the summer. Yeah, 3 days off is good too. Cause I usually like to like in the summertime when you get off at 2, yeah, you're tired, but guess what? You can go to the fucking beach. You can do whatever the fuck you want. At nighttime, you kind of like gotta stay. Saturday through Monday off. I'm jealous. Fuck. That's actually I'm pretty jealous of that schedule. Pretty fucking jealous. Alright, let's wrap this baby up. I'm actually gonna try to get on for Asia tonight because I haven't been on all week and I feel like just give me like next week. I might be a little off. So I don't know what exactly my days are gonna be because I don't know. Maybe I might be stressed at work. Maybe I might be nervous. Who knows? I doubt it. I'm Alpha Daddy.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei.
But we can't force each other to take trades in Asia. If it's not there, it's not there. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna try to get on tonight because I also need to fix some of these indicators. I want to get the updates out to you guys, and I want to fix my fucking setup here. Like, it annoyed the shit out of me that I had trouble this morning. The alerts is still not working on the Meld Studio. The TikTok thing's working very nice, which is cool. Do you guys see the creatures? I fucking love it. You see the little guys? Who's the biggest right now? I can't see. I don't want to make it too big because I'll be on at 9:30 tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be at 9:30. I meant for next week. But for tonight, I don't know, 8 or 9. Eight or 9. All right, Mr. Dad. Oh, you're almost there, Daily. We're gonna get you funded tonight. Top Step usually closes at 4:10, dude. Which fucks you, right? Fucks you a lot. All right, let's wrap this up. If you're not following, hit that motherfucking follow button. If you don't,
You're going in the dungeon.
if you do, thank you so much. Free Discord in the bio. If you guys want access to some indicators that I use every day, I'm not just selling fucking snake oil here, even though you guys love to get that rubbed on your body. Join the Discord. In the VIP section, there's a 30-day free trial. After the free trial, it is $1 a day. Extremely cheap compared to what anybody fucking charges. In the future, to be fair, I'm actually thinking about charging more, but whoever's in there now will be grandfathered in. Because I'm a true believer in that fucking over whoever supports you. Because my bully blocks are fucking fire. If you learn how to use them, they're fucking fire. What else? Apex and Lucid are the two prop firms that I use. Use code BULLY, all caps, BULLY, BULLY for the latest and greatest discounts. Right now, Apex is 90% off. You have to make 3,000 without losing 2,000. There's a daily drawdown of 1K for the 50K account. Obviously, the bigger one you get, the more drawdown you have. I have been struggling a tiny bit with the drawdown on Apex. And I'm just trying to be honest. I'm trying to adjust. The swings on the market are crazy. Lucid had no problem. I mean, this money that you're seeing here, this is live profit. This is real money. My other Apex accounts, I fucking fucked them up today. But, we'll work on it. Lucid, so far, fantastic for me. I don't know what the other streamers are saying, but so far, Lucid has been very, very amazing to me. I mean, they let me give away $1,200 last week of accounts. It was a good time. If you're not following, definitely follow, because I will be giving give-outs in the future. I think I need $300 more to unlock the unlimited amount of giveaways that they give me. So I could fucking... I don't know what they're going to give me. Maybe they'll give me one a day. I don't know. If they can give me one a day, that'd be fucking awesome. That was a fun giveaway. Friday the 13th, baby. That was a fun giveaway. But if they can give me one a day, I'll be ecstatic. How about like even 2 or 3 a week? I'm pretty sure you guys be pumped out of that. All right, Mallory. Have a good night. So yeah, those are the two prop firms that I use. Other than that, Holy Bears is gonna be out.
Doses.
Free Discord in the bio too. Also, I'm gonna try to hop on tonight around 8 or 9. Adios, amigos. And fix my shit, TikTok.
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my face.
I love you, Daily Fanatic. When I go to sleep, I dream about you.